Good morning, friends. This was our first proper morning waking up in this house. We're having my standard breakfast that I have when I'm here, which is a glass of chai and a puri, which is this goan bread, and also 2 eggs. These eggs are different from the city eggs that we get because these are called country hen eggs. So they're actually a lot tinier than the most commonly available eggs. The yolk though is really deep and vibrant for some reason. I actually woke up this morning to see the bread man. On previous trips I was never awake. My mom always bought. This time I said I also want to be a part of it. So breakfast is super fresh and I'm definitely looking forward to it. It's just 9:30 a.m. and we've gotten so much done since morning, which I'm really surprised about. If I ever stayed in the village long term, I would definitely become a morning person, because here it's all about capitalizing on like the natural light and doing stuff when the sun is out. Right now mom and I are getting ready and we are going to be heading to the nearby like village market. Yes,
Today's the market day.
Today's market day. I don't believe I've ever seen the Lotali market. It's when the whole village comes out to shop, and I believe it's just 1 day a week, so it's going to be fun.
You also want to do that, right?
Yeah.
72. 350 and 72 means 422.
I think we've had a pretty good market day. It's really bustling, but it's all outdoors, so that's good. Our bags are quite full and now we're going to head back home.
Yeah, this is a mango. This is a jackfruit.
This is a jackfruit tree.
Yeah, see that the jackfruits are forming. And this is Ashoka.
That's just his favorite place to sleep, apparently, near the firewood. Nowadays the firewood is not lit that much because there's also a gas stove, so we're not as dependent on it. He loves it. It's so cozy. He's burnt off one side of his whiskers also, by going too close to the flame, but he just does not learn. Farm cats are something else. So after our market run, it's time for some more chai. This is still very hot, and we're also having some beef samosas from the Gado, which is like the cart near Lothali Church. We actually really like that place, and Mommy was thinking about going there for a while. So it's nice to get these. They do also have vegetarian options if you guys are in the area.
One.
Wants to fight with all the chickens. He's chasing them and they're running scared. So I'm very excited about today's home cooked lunch which Mom and Inez made together. So we have some rice, we have some coconut milk based curry with prawns. We just call that rosa kori, which means juice kori because we call coconut milk coconut juice. And then I also have some prawns here at the side, quite a lot of prawns. They are my favorite kind of seafood. So this is a prawn chili fry and these are just some larger fried prawns. And here on the side we have one fried fish. This is bangada, aka mackerel, and I think it's been fried in like rava and stuff. This smelled so good when it was on the frying pan. That is just amazing. I completely go nuts about this home cooked food when I'm in Goa, and Mom makes similar dishes at home also, but Goa food just hits different.
Where's your mama gone? So kitten.
Dinner tonight is kind of similar to lunch because we knew we would be a little bit busy, so we made larger portions. So there's rice with curry, there's some beef shakuti and a fried mackerel. I'm going to enjoy this now. Good night.